contouring the nose. And of course, I bring it all the way up into my eyebrows. As you can see, I use my finger pretty much for this part. And of course, I'll come back to touch up whatever areas I need to touch up. But this is my highlighter by Mcgrath. Right, comes in 3 colors. You have, let me see, I forgot the names. We've got, let's see, we've got the Bronze Nectar, Fire Gold, and Iridescent Pink. So, 3 colors: Iridescent Pink, Bronze Nectar, and Fire Gold. So this is the Fire Gold right here. This is the Iridescent Pink, and this is the Bronze Nectar. Okay, and I put the Fire Gold and the Iridescent Pink for my contouring of my nose. And of course the Fenty matchstick on the sides to contour up into my eyebrow bone. Yeah, so I'm loving it so far, guys. I think I'm gonna stick to a little bit of my old way of applying and with my new way of applying. So I'm breaking this up into a few parts because I don't want the video to be too long, because then it'll get boring, I think. So now I'm gonna go into my eyes, and I'm gonna use the Nirvana ABH. Right, look how cool this is. I haven't used this in a while. So I'm gonna use this along with Sydney Grace, 2 of her greens. And these are, the colors are, shoot, what are these colors? Oh, Lake Days and Scrooge. As you can see, I haven't used it in a while. So I'm gonna combine this with a little bit of black, and I'm gonna throw on some of these little shimmers, and yeah, and then I'll kind of wrap up the eyes pretty much. Yeah, and I'll probably use a little bit of the bronze gold. We'll see. I'm gonna play around with it. So I'll be back.